What's stopping you from creating? If you're like me, you have cards full of memories you've captured and lying dormant. What if I just create? What if I stop letting myself get in the way of me? How many times have I stood on the edge of inspiration only to be held back by the weight of my own doubts? The excuses, the fears, the self-imposed limitations, they've all been ear-piercing loud for too long. What if I let go? What if I stopped overthinking and simply allowed myself to do what I enjoy? To create without boundaries, without the fear of judgment, without the need for perfection. What if I just started, knowing that every step forward is progress, even if it's messy, even if it's not perfect? Because the truth is, the only one standing in my way is me. I'm choosing to step aside, to give myself permission to create freely, to share a journey, my ideas, my passion, without the weight of expectations I set on myself. What if I just create? It's time to find out. This is some of what a day around camp looks like. We absolutely love the travel lifestyle. Every road taken, every horizon chased, creates a new memory blooming. Shooting films during our travels is about living the adventure, embracing the unknown, and sharing those moments, rewatching them over and over again. So, what if I just create? For the next 2 months, I'm dedicating myself to making short, impactful storytelling videos, say 2 to 3 minutes long. They'll be brief, but they'll capture the core of our lifestyle. It's a way to stay connected, to share snippets of the incredible adventure with you in real time. But this is just the beginning. Well, I guess the middle? Longer series will come in the future, where we can dive deeper into the stories, the places, the experience, and the editing. For now, it's about creating without delay, about growing my skills for film and editing, about capturing the moment and sharing it as it unfolds. No more waiting, no more blocking myself. Let's just see what happens if I just create.
Yeah, make a flame.